Hello everyone. In this video, I will quickly walk you through the dashboard section of the application step by step, so you know exactly where everything is and how you to use it. Let's open the dashboard. As soon as you land here, you will notice two main sections at the top. One, trading. Second is investment. Let's start with trading. Step 1. Inside the trading, the first option you will see is tools. When you tap on tools, you will get two important features: option chain and research coin. Step 2. Let's tap on the option chain. By default, it shows the Nifty option chain. Now suppose you want to change the expiry, just tap on the drop down at the top. You will see multiple expiry dates. Select whichever one you prefer. If you don't want to see all the strikes and just want a limited view, tap on the strikes drop down and you can choose top 5 strikes or select all the view to complete the option chain. Now what if you want to check option chains for other segments? Simply tap on the research icon. Here you will see NSEFO, MCX, currency, BSEFO. Select the segment you want and the option chain will load accordingly. That's how simple it is. Step 3. Now let's go back and check ResearchCon. Here you can see all the research recommendations provided by the research team. You will find categories like equity, options, derivatives, commodity. So whenever you want to expert insights, this is where you will check. Step number 4. Next is the position. Here you can track today's P&L that is calculated based on yesterday's closing, buy value and sell value. This section basically tells you how your trades are performing today. Step number 5. Now tap on the fund. If you want to see a detailed breakup, click on the drop down. Here you will see opening balance, pay in, that is the amount transferred today, margin used, and other fund details. And right here, you also have add fund options and withdraw fund option. So you can manage your funds instantly from this section. Step number 6. Next is index view. Below that, you will also see major indices like Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, crude oil. You can quickly track index movements from here. And that completes the trading section. Step number 7. Now let's tap on investment. The first option you will see is blocks. Click on no more and you will get access to research reports provided by the team. Step number 8. Next is indices. Here you can view all Indian indices and global indices. Just tap on all Indian indices and you will see the complete list. Step number 9. Now comes the invest section. Here you will find 4 options: alert, IPO, ETF. Alert, where you can set price alerts as per your preference. IPO, you can check ongoing IPOs and apply directly from here. ETF. In ETFs, you'll find categories like equity, sector, gold, debt, global. You can explore and choose based on your investment strategy. Step number 10. Let's check holdings. Net P&L, that is overall profit or loss, investment value, current value, and today's P&L. This gives you a complete portfolio snapshot. Step number 11. Now tap on scanners and click View All. Here you can track top gainers, top losers, 52-week high, 52-week low. This helps you quickly identify market movers. Step number 12. Finally, we have sectors. Click on View All and all you can see sector-wise performance like IT, automobile, telecom, and many more. This helps you understand which sectors are performing well. And that's your complete dashboard walkthrough. From trading tools to investments, from holdings to scanners, everything is accessible in just a few taps. Once you explore it once or twice, navigating this app becomes very smooth and intuitive. If you have any questions or clarification on this video, please feel free to email us, WhatsApp us, or call us. Thank you.